Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Yuda from class 2 PcM B. Okay, here I'll explain a little about threads. First, triangular threads. This thread has a triangular cross section and is most commonly used on bolts and nuts. Its function is as a fastener because it is strong enough to withstand tension but still easy to install and remove. Second, rectangle thread. It has a square shape with low precision, making it very efficient for transmitting power. It is commonly found on jacks and presses. Thread, trapezoidal thread. This thread is trapezoidal in shape, stronger than triangular threads, and easier to manufacture than rectangle threads. It is often used on drive shafts and machine spindle. 4. Saw-toothed thread. It has one sloping side and one step side, resembling the teeth of a saw. Designed to support loads in one direction, it is ideal for thrusters like extruders. And finally, radius threads. These threads have a curved angle, making them more resistant to wear and vibration. They are typically used in fib connection or applications that require high thickness. And that's a little explanation about threads from me. Thank you.